everyone, and welcome back. Today we are going to be doing some weekly analysis on Bitcoin yet again. Before we start, let me play a quick clip from last week's Bitcoin analysis, and then we'll see how that played out and what we should expect for this week.
From our swing low to our recent swing high. And right now, it does look like we're trying to break this Fibonacci structure of our 382. If that happens, our next level is around 26.1. And then our most important level, the golden ratio, is right around 25.8, 25.9. But if we take our Fibonacci level from this low to this swing high, let's go ahead and do that here. We can see that, again, we're still breaking a key fib level, but this time our 618 is around 26.1.
As we stated in that clip, we were looking at this Fibonacci analysis again from this swing low to this swing high and looking for that golden ratio around 26.1 to hold. And you can see once we did get that retracement after breaking this fib level right here, we did come down and look how the bulls held this level, even getting as low as that 25.8, 25.9 level that we talked about on some exchanges, and then continuing to hold support right here before having this rally we've seen over the last couple days. I think right now the most important thing to focus on is the daily time frames moving averages, and specifically the 200 moving average, which is this moving average right here in blue. And right here, just a few days ago, you can see price action reach that 200 moving average. We briefly got above for a short period of time and then closed right below it, showing that right now it is acting as resistance. Even when price action tested right here, you can see we tested this red 100 moving average, again closed below that 200, and even currently with today's candle, we wicked exactly to that 200 moving average and have seen a slight sell-off. So over the next couple days, definitely be watching this 200 moving average on the daily, and once we get a candle close above this 200 moving average, that's whenever it should flip into a level of support and we can see some momentum back to the upside to test into this 30K range once again. The other moving average to watch specifically right now is the 50 moving average on the 3-day time frame. It is this green moving average right here. And let's go ahead and take off these other ones just so we can focus on that 50 moving average. It was a key level of support right here, right before the banking collapse that sent Bitcoin from 20K almost to 32,000. And then once we had this retracement right here, you can see 4 3-day candles held it as support yet again, making this level act as a buying level. And then price again went to test around that $32,000 level. Once we broke below with this capitulation candle right here, this level has been acting as resistance. We tried to test it right here and had a sell-off. And then recently, over the past about 9 days, we've continued to close these candles below this moving average. And right now, we are testing that. Currently, it sits around 27.8, and I believe we have a 3-day close today, if I'm not mistaken. So therefore, just like with the 1-day, if you see the 3-day time frame close a candle back above this 50 moving average, that should be a very good sign of things to come. This will be a shorter video as I just wanted to outline the main things that you guys need to watch right now. But if we are looking for higher targets once we get those closes above those key moving averages, then let's do some Fibonacci analysis from our top of 31,800 to our low of 24,900. And we can see the most important level is, of course, our golden ratio. That sits around 29,100. And if you've been watching Bitcoin for the past 6 to 8 months and seen price action, oh my gosh, the amount of time that it's set around this $29,100 level, either as support or resistance, has been very, very key. And so seeing that level at the golden ratio, it's going to be important to watch once price is able to test it again, and then followed by our 786 around 30,300, 30,400. A lot of price action has also played with this level, solidifying it as a very key level. And so keep your eyes on that for sure. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have an amazing video coming out tomorrow and the next day that you guys definitely need to keep your eye on. So stay subscribed, leave a like, and again, thank you so much for your support.